Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome to all of you to the new professional and complete series on scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I told you that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with my name and click on search, and instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short time. I have been to many countries worldwide for giving my expert advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making a building or new plot as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultant advise demolition, but I never advise demolition. How? Because I also deal in Vastu corrections without demolition, which is very effective. Today, I will take another new topic.
Dr. Bhardwaj, can you tell us about the truth behind the lemon plant? Because these days there is a lot of conversation about the positive and negative vibes of the lemon plant. So can you please enlighten us on that topic?
Yeah, sure. I am standing in a garden and you are looking at the lemon tree which is behind me, and lots of lemons are there. I am showing you one lemon is there. So far as the lemon plant is concerned, if we know that lemon has vitamin C, certainly this is a positive plant. But so far as the thorns are concerned, they are not good for anybody because they are not giving any good vibrations. But so far as itself the lemon plant is concerned, this is very positive and the height of the plant is not too much. The second thing is it emits the positive vibrations. But if you are going to plant any lemon plant inside your house, it shall emit carbon dioxide in night time. That is not comfortable for human being. So if you are using lemon plant or lemon tree, there is no foundation. You can use very easily. It's very positive. It's very comfortable. Rather, you must have heard about lemon tree in Chinese Feng Shui. Chinese Feng Shui advocates the positive vibrations being emitted by the lemon plant. So I would like to remove the myth from the mind of the viewers that this plant is positive or negative. Certainly this plant is positive, but it has to be planted outside the house, not inside the house. This is the reality.
Thank you for enlightening us with your words of wisdom.
Oh,
We'll see you.
Thank you very much. Basically my aim is to remove curtain from the baseless myths. Normally you must have seen Vastu consultants using only directional compass, but directional compass can show only directions and nothing else. Then how one can talk about the invisible vibrations? Yes, your curiosity is genuine. You shall be surprised to see me using various tools, instruments. I am carrying with me sensors and scanners to check the positive and negative vibrations. This expertise makes me different from other Vastu consultants of the world. In the current series, I will show you all the instruments, and certainly I will give you a demonstration on all the instruments one by one. Just have patience and keep on moving with me. Thank you.
Thank you. We will see you in the next program.
Thank you. Bye.